Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Ranjita Shastri here. So today we are going to study detached ego from इस DD को selflessness से कैसे DD करेंगे. Okay? To understand detached ego from, we need to understand what is ego. Ego is nothing but our identity. हमारी आइडेंटिटी जिन चीज़ों से बनी है is our ego. For example, we are identified because of our knowledge, because of our beauty, the way we look, okay? Because of our physical possessions, because of our material possessions, like, it can be our property, it can be the jewelry, it can be the money, or it can be the human relationships or the big social circle. These are all ego to us, okay? Now, what is detached ego from? This person will not be attached to all these material possessions. He will not run behind the rat race. He will not run behind making money. He will be more concentrating towards a higher purpose of existence. जैसे meditation की बातें करना, कोई कुछ बोलता है उसको कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ना, right? He will not be, behind, satisfying his instincts. जैसे मुझे अच्छा खाना चाहिए, मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए, नहीं. He is just calm, quiet, contented लगेगा आपको उसके बातों से. जैसे you have seen most of the spiritual gurus जैसे बातें करते हैं, his talk will be like that. That means he is not attached to the material or earthly possessions. He is more into spirituality. ऐसी बातें करेगा, या लोगों को हेल्प करने की बातें करेगा, एनिमल्स को ज़्यादा हार्म नहीं करना है, या मुझे लोग उसको कुछ भी आके बोले, लोग उसके बारे में कमेंट करें, उसको क्रिटिसाइज करें, उसको फर्क नहीं पड़ता. दिस इज व्हाट ही इज नॉट अटैच्ड हिमसेल्फ टू ऑल दीज मटेरियल थिंग्स, ओके, टू दिस सेंसिटिव थिंग्स. ही इज नॉट सेंसिटिव टू ऑल दीज थिंग्स, ओके. अब इसको सेल्फलेस रूब्रिक से कैसे डीडी करेंगे? सेल्फलेसनेस में सेल्फ तो होता है, बट ही कीप्स हिमसेल्फ बिहाइंड, गिविंग इंपॉर्टेंस टू समथिंग more, like a lady, a housewife who selflessly cares for her children. She doesn't have any expectations behind that care. वो सेल्फलेसली केयर करती है अपने हस्बैंड के लिए, अपने बच्चों के लिए, अपने इन लॉज के लिए, अपने हेल्थ को पीछे रखकर इन लोगों को वो केयर करती है. Another thing, some people may be attached to the NGOs, some organizations where they selflessly care for the underprivileged people, towards the animals. This is selflessness. So, not identifying yourself to the material things and more concentrating towards the spirituality is detached ego from. Whereas, caring yourself less while you're caring more towards the underprivileged people without expecting anything is selflessness, okay? So I hope this DD is easy to understand and today's Tuesday trivia is interesting. Thank you.